Hello guys, welcome to Nashuatec YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to resolve the issue of A4 paper size not being detected on your Ricoh printer. Learn simple troubleshooting steps to fix the paper size settings and get your printer working smoothly. Follow along for a quick and effective solution. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.